Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have this car here and we have a problem with check engine light. We changed the computer. Maybe it's gonna start now. Okay. Sometime it starts, sometime not. But we try to program it. Okay.
Start now.
Okay, start now. See, it didn't want to start. So let me try to program diagnose the car, program the software with the right one, and then we see what's gonna happen next. I'm just communicating now with the car. This is F150, right? 4-door. This is 245,000 miles, which if you maintain your car, mileage doesn't matter. So now here, the information. So the first one, you change it because of the check engine light is on.
Yes.
Okay. So now this is the car. It says 2003, was 2002. So now I'm gonna go to self test. All modules. To be sure, just okay. The piece is not connected. The OBD2 is not connected. So let me connect the OBD2, which is here. It says not connected yet. VCM is there. Let me see what happened. I suppose VCM2 connect. Yes, now it's up to date. I'm gonna say okay. So we're gonna come back to communicate with the car. We're gonna read the DTC because we just upload everything. Maybe in a few I'm gonna request it will request the VIN. Okay, those are the code that we have it, and in the bottom here, it say that vehicle identification block corrupted or not programmed. Maybe this is one of the reason. You see here, we say vehicle corrupted or not good. So we're gonna go back to the data here, and then we go to programming, and then program installation. We're gonna program the PCM. We say turn the key off, and then on again. I gotta put internet too because we need to get internet. Turn the Wi-Fi on. We're gonna connect this one, connect it. Because if you don't do the internet, you can go nowhere. Checking the network. Be sure it's good connected, and we have to test it. If it's not, we can use our cell phone too. It's the same thing. Now we have good internet. I want to be sure that no, not yet. Before I do that, I want to be sure I have internet. Because if you don't have internet, let me go to AC Delco. Yes, my internet is good now. I'm gonna close this. I come back. Ignition is off now. Key is off. I'm gonna click next. Ignition must be on again. Click next. Now programming VIN. Now give me the VIN number. Read it for me, the VIN. You can get it here in the door or in the side. Look at it where it is. Anything here?
Yeah, I don't have my glasses.
If I give you this, I can see nothing too. Where is the registration?
Here.
Yeah, give me. It have it. You don't need to put a cursor here to click. Okay, just start putting the VIN. The door is open, so okay, I'm gonna try to write down the VIN number. It's 1 F as a Frank TRX 1 F as a Frank TRX 1 F TRX 17 William 72 17 William 72 17 William 72 17 William 72 Nancy Boy 93 Nancy Boy 93 1911 191. So I'm gonna go next. That's the VIN number is correct. 1 Frank Thomas Robert X-ray 17 William 72 Nancy Boy 93. So that's good. So I'm gonna say okay. Okay, he said backup. Do you connect to the internet? Say yes. We're gathering the software. As soon as we finish programming this, it's supposed to go away. So gathering data now from the internet. I'm gonna click next. I'm gonna click here too. Give him time to collect the data. Okay, next again. You just follow the step. We're gonna wait for it. Everything computerized. Before, Ford and GM used to send us a CDs. At this CD with any update. That means if today, if they have 1 million mechanic shop, have a million mechanic shop, and they have an update in their system, they're gonna send about 1 million CD outside. Watch, close the door. Hello, this is Tendekio. يا حبيبي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. خليك معي بس عليك دقيقة بس. Turn the ignition on, off. Click next here. Install the new. Say yes. Okay, now he may ask you to turn the ignition on. I'm gonna turn the ignition on. Why? You have a problem with this key? Okay, Lee. Do you have a problem with this key? Yeah, now it's open. It's good. I just opened it. So I turned the ignition on. So now I'm gonna click next. Okay. Do you wanna try again? Say yes. Okay. Is the on, off? Hold on. Off. On again. Let me see. On. Turn on. No response from the PC. Is that true? I don't believe that. It's supposed to respond. The PCM supposed to respond. أحمد الحاج خلينا نضرب لك بعد شوي. You see? Open. That's very funny. Say FEPS open circuit. Ignition switch 0. Try again. Okay. I don't know what that means. Flash EEPROM program signal. Okay, that's very funny. Okay, turn the ignition off. I want to try again. Turn the key off. Yes. On. I turn it on. Click next. We have a problem here. It doesn't want to take the programming. That's why maybe it doesn't want to take the programming. That's why something wrong with it. It doesn't want to start also. Yes, I want to try again. Turn the key off. Turn the key on in a few. Let me see what happened now. I turn the key on. Yeah, he doesn't want to take programming. So at least this computer is supposed to start. And if it doesn't take programming, tell my son to get me some charger. I charge the car. There's a problem in this car, so let us put a test light and try to spend some time on it. It's very funny. So now we are going to put a battery charger, and we are going to see why we are not able to communicate with this car, which is very funny. We just communicate with the engine computer, but I'm not able to do anything. Maybe the battery is a little bit low. but we're gonna stay here like this till we try a different way. But this is how you get problem when you try to program a car.